Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 25th and 26th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Parfait Day. National Parfait Day is an annual celebration observed in the United States on November 25th. It's a day dedicated to enjoying parfait, a delicious and versatile dessert that typically consists of layers of cream or yogurt, granola or nuts, and fruits or syrups. Originating from France, the word parfait means perfect in French, a fitting name for this elegantly layered treat. Over the years, parfaits have evolved, accommodating a wide range of ingredients and flavors, making them a popular choice for a dessert or a healthy snack. From classic fruit and yogurt layers to more indulgent versions with ice cream, chocolate, and whipped cream, there's a parfait to suit every taste preference. The celebration of National Parfait Day encourages people to indulge in this delightful dessert, either by preparing it at home or enjoying it at a local eatery. It's an opportunity for culinary enthusiasts to experiment with different combinations, creating their unique parfait recipes. Social media plays a significant role in this day, with food bloggers and enthusiasts sharing photos and recipes of their creations, inspiring others to join in the celebration. Whether it's a nutritious breakfast parfait with yogurt and fresh fruits or a decadent dessert layered with rich flavors, National Parfait Day is a testament to the dessert's versatility and enduring popularity. Small Business Saturday. Small Business Saturday is a significant event in the United States, celebrated on the Saturday after Thanksgiving, which falls on November 25th in 2023. Initiated in 2010 by American Express, this day serves as a counterpart to the more commercially focused Black Friday and Cyber Monday, emphasizing the vital role of small businesses in the economy and communities. Small Business Saturday encourages consumers to shop locally and support independent retailers and artisans. This initiative has garnered widespread support from communities, business organizations, and even government entities, recognizing the crucial contribution of small businesses in creating jobs, fostering innovation, and maintaining healthy, vibrant neighborhoods. The impact of Small Business Saturday has grown substantially over the years, becoming a key date in the holiday shopping calendar. It not only boosts sales for small businesses during one of the busiest shopping periods of the year but also raises awareness about the importance of supporting local enterprises year-round. Small businesses often celebrate the day with special promotions, events, and collaborations, creating a festive and communal atmosphere that draws customers. The day has also gained considerable traction on social media, where hashtags like #ShopSmall and #SmallBusinessSaturday help spread the word and promote local businesses. This celebration of small-scale entrepreneurship underscores the value of personal customer service and unique, locally produced goods, distinguishing small businesses from larger corporate entities. National Cake Day. National Cake Day is a delightful celebration observed annually on November 26th in the United States. This day is dedicated to appreciating and enjoying cake, a classic dessert loved by people of all ages. Cakes have been a part of human culture for centuries, evolving from simple bread-like treats to the elaborate, artistically decorated confections we see today. From birthdays and weddings to casual gatherings, cakes are a symbol of celebration and joy. National Cake Day embraces all forms of cakes, from traditional layer cakes and sheet cakes to cupcakes and more exotic varieties, encouraging people to indulge in their favorite flavors and styles. On National Cake Day, bakeries and home bakers alike take the opportunity to showcase their baking skills, creating a wide array of cakes in various flavors, shapes, and sizes. It's a day when friends and families can come together to bake, share, and enjoy cakes, experimenting with new recipes or relishing time-honored family favorites. Social media platforms often buzz with activity as people post pictures and recipes of their homemade or store-bought cakes, spreading the joy of this sweet treat. Whether it's a classic chocolate cake, a fruit-laden sponge cake, or a modern vegan or gluten-free variant, National Cake Day is a celebration of the diversity and creativity inherent in the world of cake baking and decorating. Good Grief Day. Good Grief Day is not a widely recognized or traditional holiday. However, the phrase good grief often brings to mind the classic comic strip Peanuts by Charles M. Schulz, where the character Charlie Brown frequently uses this exclamation. If a Good Grief Day were to be celebrated, it could potentially be a day dedicated to acknowledging the lighter side of life's frustrations, much like the humorous and often poignant situations faced by the Peanuts characters. Such a day could serve as a reminder to find humor and perspective in everyday challenges, echoing the charm and wisdom found in the Peanuts comic strip. It could be an opportunity to revisit the beloved stories of Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and their friends, reflecting on the simple yet profound insights they offer into life, friendship, and overcoming obstacles. Whether through reading the comics, watching adaptations, or simply sharing stories that make us say good grief, this day could be a celebration of the resilience and humor that help us navigate life's ups and downs. International Shift Worker Sunday. International Shift Worker Day, also known as Shift Worker Sunday, is a day set aside to recognize and appreciate the contributions of shift workers. It's observed annually on the first Sunday in July. The day acknowledges the challenges and sacrifices made by those who work non-standard hours, including night shifts, rotating shifts, and other irregular schedules. These workers are essential in many industries, such as healthcare, emergency services, manufacturing, transportation, and retail, providing services around the clock. The observance of this day serves several purposes. First, it raises awareness about the unique challenges faced by shift workers, such as disruptions to sleep patterns, work-life balance difficulties, and potential health issues. It's also a reminder for employers and society at large to consider and support the well-being of shift workers, ensuring they have access to resources and support systems that acknowledge their unique work schedules. Celebrating International Shift Worker Day can involve public recognition, workplace initiatives, or community events aimed at honoring and supporting those who work outside the typical 9-to-5 schedule. It's a day for expressing gratitude to those who keep essential services running at all hours and in all circumstances. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.